it's Tina Create the Heart, and this should be my last video, my Destash series. I believe there's 7 videos. They'll be in the description and in the title box how many videos there are. If you're interested in any of the items you see, make sure you email me at scoop71@yahoo.com with the lot number of the ones that you are interested in getting. And I take PayPal, friends and family only. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is number 21. $35, and it is a random full of stuff box. It is full of stuff. Lots of trims and random things. This is the little mini dolls, Julia Nutting mini dolls. It's those little tiny, they're little mini dolls. I guess I could open it, but it's glass and I don't really want to. But it's the little miniature dolls. You could probably Google it and see them, but can't find those anywhere actually. I just happen to have them and I'm saying goodbye to them. Okay, so we have these mechanicals from Prima. And we have these bats. And these clips. Let's see what else we've got. A bunch of trims. Tim Holtz trims, Stampin' Up pearls, flowers. These are just a bunch of different beads, seed beads, DIY shop, little chalkboards, Prima, and Prima. Wood things. This is like an acrylic coaster thing. I don't know. Florals. Tim Holtz pearls. Some flowers that you can color. Tim Holtz. See all the different findings from Holtz. This is all somehow going to fit in this box. I really have to squish it down because this is a lot of things. And Holtz mechanicals. Okay. So that is number 21, and it is quite packed. And here's the last one, 22. So exciting. I am at the end. All right. Okay, so we have a bunch of these very large bottle cap tins. I was going to do something with them, and it just, you know, never happened. Never happened. So sad. And, oops, sorry. And then we've got more of them, this other size, and these little ones, and these little ones that are like, we could do a neck and necklace with them, so they're pretty cool. And then, let's see what else we got here. So we have a Bella Boulevard paper pad. And we have this paper pad, Recollections. And We have this Doodlebug. And My Mind's Eye. Halloween. Doodlebug. This Stamp and Die. And we have a bunch of these. More of these. And then we have a Echo Park. And washi stickers. Bottle caps, all kinds of bottle caps, and then we have things to fit with the bottle caps, all kinds of bottle caps everywhere, bottle caps. And these. And then these have a bunch of handmade flowers. They were in a box with all this other Halloween stuff. So, black clothespins. These are a bunch of spiders. Spiders. Witch's hats. It's a little book someone made me, but I'm just going to throw it in there because there's space in here. Bottle cap rings, twine, bottle cap charms and fixins and all kinds of things. I guess I went crazy with bottle caps, but I have not used them in a while. I kept a few of them. All right, that's it. This one's $35. The last two were each $35, mostly because of shipping. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. It's the Crank the Heart.